Today we're going to be building a fence out of cattle panels and T-posts. Cattle panels are 16 foot long by 50-inch high woven wire pre-made modular panels, and T-posts are painted steel posts in the shape of a T, if you look at it from the top, that you can attach various fencing materials to. We need to build this fence because it's Saturday, and on Tuesday our cow arrives, and if we don't build a fence, she's not going to stay on the property. So the first thing to do, we're going to clear the fence line, or approximately where the fence line is going to be. I'm just going to use some yard tools that I have because I don't have a tractor and a brush hog and things like that. Second step we're going to do is we're going to measure and install the corner posts. Then we're going to string a line between the corners and install T-posts every 8 feet between them. Then we're going to go ahead and stand the cattle panels up, use either T-post clips, which came with the T-post and cattle panels, or fencing wire, which we also have some of, to install those cattle panels on the T-posts. Now we're going to want to put the T-posts on the outside of the cattle panel from the perspective of where the animal is usually going to be. So that means this area between the two buildings you can see here. The one you can see the whole building is a dairy barn, and the one you can only see the very edge of is the shed with a lean-to on the back, and that lean-to is going to be her shelter when the weather's bad. So that area between the two is kind of where we're going to build this fence. Here we go.